Hi, hello, welcome to Maggie's Homeschool. In this video, we are going to see spelling rule of letter C. How to pronounce letter C. Letter C has two sounds, a hard and a soft sound. Let's find out when to use hard sound of letter C, K, and soft sound of letter C, sh. Hard sound of C occur most often, like k, cow, k, call, k, cat, k, come, k, car, k, corn, k, cup, k, card, k, cut, k, cake, k, carrot, k, cot. Soft C spelling rule. When the letter C is followed by vowels E, I or Y, then the letter C makes sh sound. Here are few examples of soft C letter sound. S, sell, s, send, s, city, s, cyber, I, s, eyes, f, ace, face, ice, mice, s, enter, center, d, I, is, dice, December, December, cycle, cycle, pen, ill, pencil, cylinder, cylinder, prince, prince, race, race, twice, twice, rice, rice, city, city, juice, juice, celery, celery. Have you noticed that I have marked a red color for long vowel sounds? If you have any doubt on long vowel sound or about a silent E or magic E, then there is a separate video for that. Please go and check the description for those two videos. If you find it interesting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming updates. Thank you.